class of Thermal Engineering 1. Today we learn about sources of energy. What is energy? Energy is the capacity of a physical system to perform work. Energy exists in several forms such as heat, kinetic, mechanical energy, light, potential energy, electrical energy or other form. So here you can see there are the various types of energy: mechanical, thermal, nuclear, chemical, electromagnetic, sonic, gravitational, kinetic, potential and ionization energy. Now sources of energy, this can be classified into two categories. One is primary or natural source, another is secondary or synthetic source. The primary source again classified into two types. One is non-renewable source, another is renewable source. And the secondary source are classified into three types, that is coke, fuel gas or producer gas and oil. Again, non-renewable source of energy can be classified as coal, petroleum, natural gas, and the renewable energy can be classified as solar, geothermal, wind, biomass and hydrothermal. So let's discuss the various sources of energy. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy or renewable sources of energy are resources that is replenished naturally in course of time. Renewable energy কে আমরা ইউজ করার পরও আমরা এটাকে কিন্তু রিপ্লেনিশ করতে পারবো, মানে এই যে এনার্জি সোর্সটা কখনো এন্ড নেই। তো এর মধ্যে কি কি পড়ছে? হোয়াট আর দ্য টাইপস অফ রিনিউয়েবল এনার্জি সোর্সেস? দ্যাট ইজ সোলার, হাইড্রো, geothermal and biomass. These are under the renewable sources of energy. Now, what are the non-renewable sources of energy? Non-renewable sources are those that are available to us in limited quantities. That means that are renewed so slowly that the rate at which they are consumed is too fast. Non-renewable sources যে এনার্জি সোর্সেসটা আমরা ইউজ করছি কিন্তু যে এনার্জিটাকে আমরা রিপ্লেনিশ করতে পারবো না বা শেষ হয়ে গেলে তার ঘাটতি আমরা পূরণ করতে পারবো না। এই নন-রিনিউয়েবল এনার্জি সোর্সের মধ্যে কি কি পড়ছে? What are the examples? Coal, oil and natural gas. These are the non-renewable sources of energy. Coal, we all know, coal is formed by the prolonged action of geological forces on the plant and vegetal matter accumulated below the earth crust. আমরা সবাই দেখেছি কোল। Petroleum is formed in the earth crust from the accumulated vegetal and animal matter metamorphic processes similar to coalification. From crude petroleum, gasoline, lubricating oil, fuel oils, these all are obtained. And natural gas, we all are using this in our daily source. Natural gas which can be used directly. We are using the natural gas daily. Next is, what are the various non-common sources of energy? That is solar energy. Solar energy, the energy which is collected from the sun. It can be used in many ways. Generate electricity using photovoltaic cells, using concentrating solar power. Geothermal energy, energy which are obtained by tapping heat from the earth below its surface. Hot underground water or steam is used to produce electricity. Wind energy, by using wind turbine, where there are largest sources of wind, we can use the wind turbine to generate or to produce electricity. Next is biomass, wood fuel, biogenic portion of the municipal waste. Certain plants biomass may be used in the manner in number of ways to produce energy. The common methods are gasification, combustion, fermentation, anaerobic digestion. We all know we are living in India, so India is a very rich country for production of biomass. We are producing biogas, which can be produced from the waste paper, sugar industries or animal waste, and methane is produced. And we are producing biofuel, that is in terms of biodiesel and ethanol, which are derived from the plants. And last one is hydrothermal energy, energy which is in water in the form of kinetic energy and temperature difference. Renewable source energy is solar energy, geothermal energy, wind energy, biogas and hydrothermal energy. So, these all are about various sources of energy. That's all for today's class. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me anything. If you like the video, please share with your friends. For more updates, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.